how to set up SMTP server in Gmail. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Gmail SMTP server step by step. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to your Gmail and click your profile icon at the top right. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account, then click on Manage your Google account. From the left menu, select Security. Now scroll down and make sure two-step verification is turned on. This is required for SMTP to work. Once that's done, go to the top search bar in your Google account and search for app passwords. Click on it, and when prompted, log in again. Now under app passwords, type a name like SMTP and click Create. Copy the generated app password. We'll use this in the next step. Now go to the SMTP setup page, maybe on your website or app. For the SMTP server, type smtp.gmail.com. For the port, use 465. For security, select SSL. Enter your full Gmail email as the username. For the password, paste the app password you just copied. Then, in the From Email field, type your Gmail again. For to email, enter any test email address if you're running a test. Click on Test or Send, and within a few seconds, you should receive the test message in your inbox. And that's it. Your Gmail SMTP is now successfully set up. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more step-by-step tutorials. That's all for the video.